Hey there folks, my name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture. In this video today we're going to show you how to deal with any squeaks or creaks coming from your Steelcase Gesture Chair. Let's get started. Okay, for this process you will need some items, and those include a flathead screwdriver, an impact with a T20 Torx bit, and you will need WD-40, silicone, quick dry and spray. Okay, so the first step we're going to want to do today is remove the seat from our chair. I'll show you how to do that. Let's go. Alrighty, so I've already laid the chair down on its back so I can access underneath of it, and what I'm looking at is underneath the seat, and I'm going to be using the seat depth roller right here to lower the seat up and down, raise it back and forth. Alright, in order to remove the seat we need to press down on this metal lever right here. Alrighty, so I'm just going to gently press down on that metal lever with my finger while I'm rolling the ball or the knob for the seat to come off, which is going to be up. So gently rolling it up until that clip passes underneath the seat. So I'm just going to press that clip gently till I feel it. Not there. And right there, be careful not to pinch your finger. As you can see, it's clear. The clip has cleared the seat. I'm just going to keep rolling it off. And you should hear it click off. Alright, from here all I need to do is remove the seat. I'll step up behind it, grab it with two hands, and pull the seat right off. So here we have an overhead view of the chair. I'll put the chair back up on its casters so you can look down on the chair with the seat removed. I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver to gently remove the plastic trim piece right here. I have one clip and two clips. Just need to pop those off like that. And the trim piece removes like so. And I also want to remove this trim cover right here to get access into here. And we'll be lubing up these gears as well. So here I have my T20 Torx bit. Just gently remove that one screw. Gently remove that trim piece as well. Alright, now we have access to the entire mechanism of the chair. We have all of our gears working, we've got all of our moving pieces, we've got our springs. So now is a good time to maybe clean this up a little bit using a soft bristle vacuum, some gently compressed air, or even just a rag right here to kind of wipe down the dirt. Get rid of all the loose dust you can see, any material foreign objects you see. Now's a good time to do that before we get started. So we've already vacuumed off all the dust. Now it's time to go ahead and lubricate the chair. I'm going to bring in my WD-40 silicone quick dry and spray. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is we're really going to hit up any moving components, and we're going to start from the back of the chair and work our way forward. So the first spot we want to hit is this back spring right here. Alrighty, from there we're going to go down to this middle gear right here, and pretty much anything that moves. We don't need to overdo it, just quick little sprays is all we need. Alright, from there we'll go down to the gear right here. Alrighty, then next we'll go to this forward spring. Just give it a little shot. Alrighty, next we'll come over to this side spot right over here. And we'll just hit a little spray right in there. Alright, we'll come and do the same thing on this side. And next we have some cables right here. We're just gonna a little bit on those springs. And then we have our cable right in here. Alrighty, so that pretty much does it. We've hit just about every moving piece and mechanism inside the chair itself. And we'll just go ahead and run the gears through a little bit, make sure that lube is nice and worked its way in. Alright. We'll We'll grab our rag and just kind of wipe off any overspray or excess lube that we have. So as far as this goes, we should be all set here. We're just going to go to the back of the chair and hit one more spot. Okay, so the last spot we want to hit is going to be right back here on the back side of the chair. Now is a good time to grab your rag or your vacuum compressed air and give this place a nice clean. Getting any loose dust, any particles that may be caught in there, always a good idea. Alright, now that we've got it all wiped down and sprayed off, we're going to go ahead and bring in our silicone spray again. And I'm going to gently tilt the chair back a little bit and show you where I'm going to hit right in the spot right here. Just give it a nice little dab. Don't need to overdo it. And just rock it back and forth to work it in. Okay, so we pretty much lubricated all that we can underneath here and in the back of the chair. Maybe a good idea to have your chair sit overnight. As also periodically run through your gears, have that lube settle in, give it a chance to work its way into all the crevices. As far as that goes, I hope all the creaks have been remedied and your chair is squeak free. Alright, here we're just going to install the trim piece back onto the chair. Lightly tighten our T20 bit with our Torx. Alrighty, we'll just go ahead and reinstall our trim piece. Alright, so here's a close-up view of underneath the seat. I want to show you how to quickly put it back on. So we want to line up our rails here and here with our rails on our chair. So we're just going to flip the seat over, get those rails lined up, kind of feel them going in there. Once they're on, I'm going to push it back as far as it goes. One hand pushing on the seat, I'm going to grab my seat depth roller knob and roll backwards until the seat catches onto the gears. And you hear a click, it'll pass back and you'll be all set. Okay folks, I hope that was informative and you're able to solve any squeaks or creaks coming from your chair. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. As always, hit that like and subscribe button. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to show you how to properly, yep, I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
As always, hit that like and subscribe button. Have a great day. Okay, that was fun. Yeah, video informative. I hope you did that. No, I don't like informative. I don't like that. You're able to get rid of all your squeaks and creaks from your Steelcase Gesture Chair. If you have any issues, too many. I don't even say a Steelcase Gesture Chair. I'm not going to say that anymore. Yeah. All right. All right. So that's all there is to it. I hope you're able to finish. Flopping this up a little past there, bet.
Yeah, you got it.
You got this, buddy.
You got it.